Bill Reinert began his higher educational journey with a BA in psychology from the UMKC College of Arts and Sciences. He went on to excel in his career in engineering and has remained a staunch supporter of our university. As one of the lead product planners for the Toyota Prius, Bill is a nationally recognized expert on energy and resource management. He is National Manager of Toyota Motor Sales, USA Advanced Technology Group, and has worked both with Bell Labs and Hewlett-Packard. At Toyota, Bill led the planning of both the fuel cell hydrogen vehicle, Toyota's first hydrogen fuel vehicle, and the Prius, Toyota's current electric hybrid vehicle. His commitment to intelligent use of energy resources led the U.S. Secretary of Energy to name him chair of the electric subgroup for the Future Transportation Fuel Study as part of the National Petroleum Council's research on fuel availability. On a recent visit to UMKC, Bill gave a public lecture on the future of fuels and electric options in automobiles, as well as the hydrogen fuel cell. Intent on providing an opportunity to UMKC that was above the norm, Bill arranged to have several Toyota hybrid models and the hydrogen fuel cell model on display and available to drive. Bill credits his days at the college with not only developing his mind, but equally important, his tenacity. Says Bill, "We were working on the neural basis for behavior. The work was incredibly complex, more challenging than I thought I could ever manage. But my professor, Dr. Levinson, encouraged me and guided me. That long winter, I learned more than I ever thought possible, and the knowledge that I can do what I set out to do has never left me. At UMKC, I finally learned how to learn and how to love learning. Throughout my career, I've had to reinvent myself many times, from selling cars to writing software to designing clean rooms and finally to designing cars. But the transition has never been difficult because I've learned how to learn, and that makes all the difference. Thank you, UMKC." This forward thinker appreciates all that his UMKC education provided and honors the strong foundation on which his current success has been built. Bill cites this quote from hockey great Wayne Gretzky as his inspiration: "I never look where the puck is. I always look where it's going." For thinking boldly and for demonstrating leadership and service to our world that transcends local and national boundaries, we proudly present this 2013 Alumni Achievement Award from the College of Arts and Sciences to Bill Reinert.